Java installation. So we're gonna just type in Java and we're gonna grab the first one that says Oracle, so we can type in here. And right now I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna show you right now. I have a folder here open in terminal, so I'm gonna type in code space that so I can open it in Visual Studio Code. And I have already my incorporated terminal, but you can pick another terminal if you want. For example, this one, you can just pick any terminal. And if you already have installed Java successfully, you can just type in Java and you're gonna see a bunch of, you can see the version, um, some of these options. You can also type in Java and then space hyphen and then version like this. And mine is the version 1.8.0 underscore 41, and I also have the Java TM, the SE runtime environment, and this is the Java hotspot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna uninstall it and install it again so I can show you. But first, we are gonna go against we're gonna go over the simple example. So pretty much the file is main and the extension is .java. So we have main.java. So for example, before we have I don't know, maybe main.js or then main.html. So in this case is main.java. So and the name is main, and that is the name that we are gonna have here, and it has to be with uppercase letter, the first one. So we have the public class and then it has to be main, but the first letter has to be capital. Okay, so then we're using public started void main. Okay, we're gonna see all this stuff later on, but in this video we're just gonna do the installation. So we have the string, we have the brackets, the arguments, and inside of the curly braces we have the system.out.println. And right now I'm putting, you can put whatever thing. Right now I have hello programming.js. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click here and this run Java, and this is what we have here, hello programming.js. So let's, I don't know, let's change it to hello YouTube, like that. Save it, and then you can click here in this runtime, and pretty much Java is gonna do the thing. And now you have it here, hello YouTube. So this is pretty much very simple stuff. So let's close it in, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my desktop, download, and I already have it here, so let's just delete it. And I think I have it over here as well, so uninstall it. So I'm gonna go into my Java, I'm just gonna uninstall it. So let me see, yeah, this is gonna be pretty quick. Okay, and right now if I go to my Windows PowerShell, or you can go into your command prompt, Azure, and now if you type in Java, okay, so Java Java is not recognized, so Java space hyphen version. So I have it uninstalled, so I have it uninstalled successfully. Okay, so again we are here, Java, and it has to be the one with, it says Oracle. So my laptop is a Windows, so I'm gonna choose a window, just type in here download Java. Okay, so 64-bit Java for Windows, so this is mine. Okay, so now I'm just gonna click it here, and yeah, this might take a while, but let's wait for it. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty quick, and in the meantime let's keep here in the, okay, so yeah, sorry, something went wrong because yeah, I have uninstalled Java. So let's see what happens if I try to click run Java from the Visual Studio Code. Let me see, let's close this one. Let me see, just nothing's happening. Okay, as expected. And let me see, we will need to go to the down. Okay, there's one. Okay, it's already here. So now we just need to change destination folder. That's fine, install it. So that's pretty much all that we have to do. I mean, if you want to change your folder, the destination of your folder, you can do that, but let's keep it simple. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see, if I go to my terminal, any terminal, let's just grab, I don't know, command prompt maybe, and I'm just typing Java. Okay, so all the options that we have here. So Java space hyphen version. So let me see, and I have the Java version 1.8.0 underscore 41. We have the Java TM, the SCN runtime environment, and we have the Java hotspot. So this is the 64-bit server for the build mix mode. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll close it in. I have successfully installed Java again. So let me see if I go here, and now let's see if I click it, run Java. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work, but let's open it again, and now let's click it here, run Java. Let's see what happens. And importing project, checks details, saver, opening. So Java is doing their thing. And okay, so now it's hello YouTube. So as you can see, we can say, I don't know, let me see, Java installation, like that. Java installation, oops, success, like that. Save it, and then you just click in here into the run Java. Java installation success. So as you can see, we're using this in the folder S and in the C disk, then users, all the stuff. We are getting again in the C and the CD, all the stuff. So it's a very long directory. So that's the reason that Java is doing all this stuff, and we're gonna see more of this in future videos.